Hello, welcome my dear viewers, Madeline's Kitchen, and I am here to show you a wonderful curry. Okay, and this curry is called Sorak in Konkani. Goans and Mangaloreans cook that. Now, why this is made? Because in rainy season you don't get fresh fish. So what do? They fry the dry fish and make this plain coconut curry. Now this is also having a process. Look here, now I am taking a pot because this tastes very good in a pot. Okay, one big onion sliced and one small tomato. Put it in this, and I have taken crystal salt. Okay, put it in this and smash it. Look, because it should release the water. These for Sorak, these pots are very good. Now keep this aside for 15 minutes. I'll show you the ingredients that I use for grinding. I've already prepared the coconut milk. Okay, I've already prepared the coconut milk with 2 cups of water and half a coconut. This is optional, but since I like coconut milk in my curries, I used it. This is 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. This is 1 cup of grated coconut. In this same container I had prepared the milk. Okay, then you put 6 to 7 garlic cloves. Then 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a half teaspoon of pepper. I have taken 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Why I have taken coriander powder? Because coriander grains, they take long time to grind, and since I have not roasted this masala, I have taken powder, because once you roast the masala, it powders fast. Here I have taken 5 red chilies. You can take of any kind, but I have taken this Kashmiri because they give good color, and 1 biadgi. It is spicy. Okay, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, and this tamarind is 1 large marble sized tamarind. I have soaked and I'll remove the pulp. So I will use this only when I am cooking the curry. I will grind this now. And now you see that it has, released water. Okay, smash it like this. Is a recipe curry that without seasoning, without putting oil, we prepare. That's why it is called Sorak, because it's a very simple and tasty curry. In this, I will put the masala that I have made. Okay. Wash the grinding container. Okay, and this curry doesn't have you don't have to put anything in it. Light the gas, and remember, when you're cooking in this, the flame should be low or medium low. Okay, now I'm going to put it on low. Yes, keep the pot. Yes. Okay, and this is the type of spoon I have to use. Okay, let it cook for 10 minutes. It has to boil. I can put some little more water because this has to be watery consistency, this curry. That's why it is called Sorak. I'm putting half a teaspoon of sugar. Now this sugar is not to make it sweet, but to balance the acidity that is created due to tamarind. Okay, tamarind pulp. So to balance the curry, we have to put sugar. Now you see it is boiling. It boiled for 10 minutes. I will put in 2 slit green chilies. Put in the tamarind pulp. Now since the curry has thickened, I'll put little more water. Stir it. Cook it for 5 minutes. See the consistency. It should be like this. Okay. Cook it open only, don't close it. Cook it for another 5 minutes before I put in the milk. But before that I will check for salt. It's just lovely. The salt, the sweetness and the tanginess. And when I put the milk, coconut milk in that, it tastes even better. Let it cook. I have a lot of patience because this has to be cooked on medium low flame. I think little more salt I have to put. Because it is on medium low flame, it is taking long time. Let it take time. Lovely. Now I'll put in the coconut milk and cook for 5 minutes. With the coconut milk, it will still enhance. Okay. Let it be cooked on low flame only. Let it. So, since it is boiling, I'll put it off. And the beauty of this mud pot is, even after I remove it from the gas, you see how it keeps continuous boiling. You come, I'll keep it as boiling. I'll serve myself. Can I serve myself? See, this is the consistency. It should be watery. Close it. I have dry fish here. I'm going to take one. My favorite jhol the roti, java roti, and I have fish here which is rouse, and I have fried it with green masala. Okay, I didn't show you that recipe because next time. And this is the boiled rice. Very nice. I'll enjoy the boiled rice and this hot steaming sorak. Very nice. Enistenu tondaklam. Very nice. You don't want anything. It's just this tondaklam little fish and boiled rice. Very nice. You can eat it with java roti also. Dip in that. All the flavors will go in your java roti. Okay. I like the java roti also. I like my boiled rice. Wilson is not there to taste. And there is no need of putting anything inside this, vegetables or dry fish or anything. So tasty it is. Rouse fish. My dear viewers, follow this Sorak recipe just the way I have done it. Okay? And get back to me. Text me if you like it or you don't like it. Hit the bell icon. You share my videos with all your friends. See you next time. Thank you for watching. See. These onions in that taste very good because they just suck the juice of the coconut curry. Okay, it is called Sorak. You can also call it coconut curry. Plain coconut curry.